Foodie Friends, and welcome back to another video. So as you can see from the title, I am doing a bit of a throwback recipe for you guys. We are going to be making my favorite third grade snack, which is Little Debbie's Cosmic Brownies. I kid you not, in third grade, I pretty much inhaled these brownies. I remember them being so soft and chewy and moist, but also so jam-packed with sugar. I would be bouncing off the walls, but that is what I loved about them. Now, I can't promise you that these brownies are going to be the sugar bombs that they were, but in this recipe, we are going to be making the more elevated and sophisticated Cosmic Brownie. Think of it as the Cosmic Brownie's cuter older sister. Anyways, if you are new to my channel, hello, hola, my name's Nicole and I love to make easy to follow recipes. So if that's your thing and you love watching recipe videos on YouTube or just love food in general, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. You know you wanna. Also, follow me on my Instagram at nicolesharmaine. I'll have it linked down in the description box below. But I also have a lot of yummy food photos over there and also do a lot of giveaways, so you should go ahead and follow me. If you are back to my channel, thank you so much for all the support and I truly hope you guys are enjoying my videos so far. Also, I love reading all of the comments that you guys leave me down below, so let me know down in the comments what your favorite throwback snack is. Honestly, other than Cosmic Brownies, I was obsessed with Dunkaroos and also Fruit by the Foot. Yeah, so pretty much everything with ungodly amounts of sugar. That was my jam, that was my vibe. Anyways, enough about me and my crazy sugar addiction. Let's just hop back into this recipe. I hope it's been super easy to follow so far, but look at how fudgy this brownie batter looks. Ugh, amazing. Okay, so to my delicious brownie batter, I am adding half a cup of mini chocolate chips. If you don't have mini, you can also use the regular size as well. The bigger the better, you know? And now we are just going to start folding the chocolate chips into our fudgy batter. Once your chocolate chips have been folded in, you are going to set the batter aside and start greasing an 8 by 8 inch tin. Now, because this recipe is going to give us really super fudgy brownies, what we're going to do on top of our greased tin is also add in some parchment paper so that we can easily release it from the pan once baked. So now we are just going to be adding our brownie batter to the tin, and I'm also going to be making sure that I spread it evenly throughout the pan just to make sure that it bakes evenly as well. This is an important step because we want to make sure that the brownie comes out flat out of the oven, and it's going to create the perfect base for the chocolate ganache that we are going to be adding on top. So now we are going to bake our brownie at 350 Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes. Now for the ganache, in a medium saucepan, you are going to be adding 1.5 cups of heavy cream, and you're going to let it heat on medium heat until you see the bubbles start to erupt to the surface. Once you see those bubbles, add in your chocolate chips and mix thoroughly. So this is what our brownie should look like out of the oven. It should just be set on the outside. When you poke a toothpick into it, it'll still be a little wet, but that's okay. Now, once our ganache is cooled, we are just going to pour this on top of the brownie, and we are going to spread it throughout the surface and just make sure that the whole entire brownie is coated with yummy chocolate. I'm just making sure here that the entire brownie is covered evenly with our yummy chocolate ganache. Once the ganache is even, I'm going to be sprinkling some quote-unquote teeny sprinkles on here. I don't think that's the official name for it, but they're essentially small candy-coated chocolate sprinkles. If you don't have any of these or can't find them at your local store, you can go ahead and use any type of rainbow sprinkles. Once the ganache sets, this is what it should look like. By the way, did you see how easy that release was from the pan? Yeah, it should look like that. And now we are just going to be slicing up our brownies into squares, and that is pretty much it. You can go ahead and enjoy. The brownie in this recipe is so soft and moist, and also the chocolate ganache is so thick, kind of like a caramel consistency with the crunch from the sprinkles. Honestly, it's the perfect combination.
Little Debbie step aside because her older sister Deborah is here and she's here to stay.
Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and this throwback recipe. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel to see more recipe videos from me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.